It's possible to share content from other apps as a reminder. Let's start in Mail on the iPhone. To set up a reminder for this lunch meeting, select the text to include in the reminder, and then from the pop-up menu, tap the arrow and Share. Select Reminders, and from here, we can choose a list to add the reminder to. We can also access the info panel for the reminder to set a time for it or add other details. Once saved, it's added in the Reminders app. Next, let's jump into Safari on the iPad. Let's create a reminder from this iPad webpage by going to the Share button up here and tapping the Reminders icon. That makes the title of the webpage the title of the reminder, which can be edited. And the link is automatically added as well. I'll save this into the team project list. This will work from many more apps other than these two. In any app that text can be selected, that text can be shared as a reminder.